Thank you for inviting me here. It's nice to be here. And I will tell a little bit about our company first. So I am an export manager at Soften, and we were established 12 years ago in Turku, in southwest of Finland. And we make acoustic products of all kinds. And first, we always use 100% polyester felt as material. And first we got it from Sweden. And 2 years ago, we decided to move on to Finnish raw material, which is certified to be at least 95% recycled PET bottles. And the recycling method is totally mechanical, so there are no solvents used. And we do thermoforming. We are professionals in it, and all our production types are made by us, so we have invented all our tools for it. And we export to 10 countries, to Europe, and the newest countries are Japan and also Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We have done some projects. And we have the Finnish flag and, and design from Finland mark. Yep. I'll show you a bit what our products are like. They are like interior design elements, and we do all our products are easy to be installed with tape systems, and they are very lightweighted, and all are acoustically tested in labs, so they have the absorption class A, and they have all kinds of three-dimensional forms and sold. First we invented these for normal people to have in their house, but almost 95% of our projects are like libraries and banks and offices and schools and kindergartens. So, yeah. The material is very durable, and this is one project in Hämeenlinna city. They did some. They made new their swimming halls, so there were concrete walls, and they wanted to have nice acoustics there. So we delivered them whole walls of acoustic panels, and they endure the moist surroundings very well. Then normal surroundings for our panels are places like this. This is from Queen University of London, and there are some auditoriums, and those panels are supposed to be like the game Tetris. And then we do a lot of studios, billiard halls, bowling alleys, and of course offices of all sorts. We also make room dividers of different types. They can be freestanding with own feet, or they can be suspended with wires to ceiling and floor. So, and last year we bought some new machines. We have computer-operated knife cutter, and then we have new pressing machines. So we do a lot of customized projects for our clients. So mostly from last year we have done like 90% of our projects totally customized, so we can do different kind of products for customers. And this is now what I'm going to tell you about. we were asked to join this Telaketju project year 2017. Our CEO was attending it, all the meetings, so I wasn't there, but he doesn't speak any English, so that's why I'm here to talk to you about it. So it's like a whole cooperation network that forwards textile recycling, and it has been received support and from Ministry of Environment and Tekes and funding, and it's been coordinated by Lounais-Suomen Jätehuolto Oy, which is a waste company in Turku, and VTT, which is a technical research center of Finland. And Henna Knuutila from Turku University of Applied Sciences requested us to join. And yeah, you can take the next slide. Yes, and we wanted to find out if we could come up with something out of this recycled textile waste, which is going normally to energy recovery. And actually last year a factory in La Roche in France processed some sample set of the fibers made out of these recycled textiles for us, and delivered us a small sample amount, and then it was mixed with polyester fibers, so it can be thermomoldable, and we made some acoustic panels out of it. And that's what they look like. I actually have a small sample of the material, if you want to see how it looked like. And actually the panels were tested in acoustics labs, and they work very well. And we were very pleased to be one of the companies that actually gained something from this project. But at the moment we can't get this material, and hopefully the situation will get better, so we could actually, because I know there are some companies, and we have had some inquiries from companies that would like to buy these ecological acoustic panels. And our participation stopped February this year, and we made a report, and we are very happy with the results. But there are some challenges still about this material that we could get it, because the availability is low. Actually, the company that the factory that made the sample set in France, they don't have the material, and it's quite complicated to gather, because you have to, from clothes, you have to remove all the zippers and buttons and stuff, and then you have to know actually about the fibers, so it's a bit complicated yet. And also the heat tolerance is a bit critical, and of course the even quality of the material. Then the material has to also be clean and without any nasty smells, and of course what would be the price for the material for us to use. But yeah, yes. But the new project is 2.0, and it's now running again, and we are going to have a textile sorting and refining factory in Turku 2020, so we are hopefully we will get the material in the future. And there are some some facts, which we actually heard in the last pitch. So it's very, we think it's very important to find new materials that are recycled, and we could actually solve a little bit of this textile waste problem in the future. So, yes, thank you very much.